Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I would be discussing some important question of science class 10th of term 2. So let's get started. So this is the chemistry question, chapter number 4, carbon anode compounds. So this is one of the question like sodium, magnesium and aluminium are the elements of third period of the modern periodic table having the group number 1, 2 and 13 respectively. Which one of these elements has the highest valency, largest atomic radius and the maximum chemical reactivity? Justify your answer stating the reason for each. So we need to justify our answer and we also have to give the reason. So this is the topper's answer 2017. So we need to tell like among these three elements uh, which one has the highest valency. So topper has written first of all the electronic configuration of these elements. Na means sodium, electronic configuration is 281, Mg has 282 and aluminium has 283. So clearly highest valency is 3, that is of aluminium, as it can lose its 3 valence electrons to become Al3 plus positive. So and the largest atomic radius is that sodium. The reason is that because atomic size decreases along a period from left to right, since sodium is present at most left side, it has more atomic radius. And talking about the third question, maximum chemical reactivity. So sodium has the maximum chemical reactivity, but why? We need to state the reason like that. Since all three are metals, chemical reactivity means ability to lose electrons. Since ability to lose electrons decreases along a period, so Na would be the most metallic and hence atomic and hence chemically it would be most reactive. So this is the answer of topper. You can write in your own words. You just need to be clear about the concept of like when we go from left to right in a period. So what will be its valency? Will it decrease or increase? Will the metallic character will decrease or increase? We need to be understand about that concept. So this is the another question we are having. Define groups in the modern periodic table. How do valency, atomic size and metallic character vary in a group? So again the concept should be clear about when we go down in a group, uh, metallic character decrease or increase. So we need to very clear about that concept. So by this that concept you will be very clear about this question. So this is the topper answer 2019. So first of all it has asked define groups in the modern periodic table. So there are 18 vertical columns present in the modern periodic table having elements with similar valencies and chemical properties are called groups. So you can write the definition of groups on your own. Now topper has given the example, has taken the example of group number 1. You can take any group and on the context on that group you can answer like how do valency, atomic size and metallic character vary in a group, but you need to take group not period. You can take any group like halogen group, alkali earth metal groups. You can take any group. For example, topper has taken the group number 1, alkali metals, hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium. So he has taken like that. So on that context he has written the answer like of valency. Now as we move down a group, valency remains same. Example, all alkali metals are monovalent. Now talking about the atomic size, atomic size is the distance from the center of the nucleus to the last shell. Now as we move down a group, the atomic size increases as number of shell also increase. So it's very simple. If you will make strong the concept of that characters of periods and groups. Now talking about the metallic character, now as we go down in a group, the chemical reactivity of metal increases as it is easier for a bigger atom to lose electrons due to which weaker electrostatic forces. Example, francium is more metallic than lithium. You can give example if you know. Now but in non-metal metals it decreases as it is easier for a smaller atom on top to gain electrons due to strong electrostatic forces than a bigger atom. So the topper has also marked important terms and words. You can also mark like that. So this was the answer of the question. Define groups in the modern periodic table, and how do valency, atomic size and character vary in a group. So again it is a chemistry question. So from the chapter carbon and its compounds, so it is the question given like that: give reason why carbon can neither form cation or anion but forms covalent compounds. So also state the reason to explain why covalent compounds are a bad conductor of electricity and have low melting and boiling points. So I will be discussing the topper's answer as like that. I will elaborate in my own words. So it has written that carbon has a tetravalency but can't gain or lose electrons, because if it gains 4 electrons, uh, it would be very difficult for the 4 protons to hold on 8 electrons, and thus it becomes unstable. Now if it loses 4 uh, electrons, it requires a lot of energy to lose, which a small carbon atom cannot afford, and thus it becomes again unstable. Now it has also asked, so it has also asked like why covalent compounds are bad conductor of electricity. So because covalent compounds do not form much ions, so and or it does not form the charged particles, so therefore it does not conduct electricity. And let's see what topper has written. Since ions are responsible for conducting electricity and they do not have free ions, and therefore they are bad conductors of electricity, so you can also write like that. Now the next question is that explain why covalent compounds are bad conductor of electricity. ये तो हमने कर लिया. And low melting point and boiling points. So it is like that कि covalent compounds means they have intermolecular forces of attractions are very weak, and due to that they have very low and a low boiling point and melting point. Since yes, so what topper has written: now since the molecules of two different elements share electrons, they have weak forces of attraction and weak electrostatic forces, due to which their bond can be broken easily, and the bonds are strong within the molecule but the interionic bonds are weak, making them have low melting point and boiling points. Example, naphthalene has a melting point of about 80 degrees centigrade. So in this way you should write the answer. You should highlight the important terms or words, and you should also give some examples. So these are the questions. I hope it will be helpful for you. So you can check that how to write. The points are given here also, and you can also see the answer of topper. So guys, this is for today. I hope you will find it helpful. So don't forget to like this video, share this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you want these more videos like this type of videos, so don't forget to comment below. And thank you so much guys. Bye and all the best for exams.